Hey, welcome back to our new video. For more information, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. So today the Shopify store we are discussing is Cora Wholesale Consumer Electronics. It is a wholesale consumer electronics that provides you the best electronic products on wholesale prices, and all of these prices are wholesale, so you can afford everything on these prices. 1 year warranty with free returns, free shipping in the USA. Fastest selling tech accessories period. If you want to buy their product, they have premium tech accessories. They have many other things. They have a they are a US supplier of premium tech accessories, new tech products, the latest accessories for new smartphones, new products, magnetic phone holder. They have consumer electronics category management and solutions for wholesale and retail markets. Cora Cellular premium mobile tech accessories with guaranteed quality, and they provide high quality consumer electronics at a wholesale price in the USA. The 1 year warranty with free returns, free shipping in the USA. Contiguous only wholesale purchases. They provide their customers with the latest and most desirable mobile and smartphone accessories in the market. Products that fly off shelves and generate unbelievable profit margins. Great service as your local US vendor for mobile and smartphone accessories. They accept orders online, via phone, via email. If ordering for multiple locations, please call or email. For instance, they do not believe you should have to purchase more than you would like, so there is no minimum order. So if you are a cellular kind, like if you do want to get electronic products with a good widget quality, best prices, and all about these in wholesale prices, and all about these satisfied products, the products you desire for, the products you want to own. So you just have to come Cora Cellular. Cora Cellular is just getting the highest massive stats in turnover in economics because of this strategy of their store. By that, they are fulfilling their customer desire. They are getting satisfied by their customers. They are giving every product what their customers want. Cora has just take over the marketplace, and it has like stereo headphones and charger for the latest iPhones, Android, Samsungs. It has new tech products like latest accessories for new smartphones. They have magnetic phone holder with ear vent clip, wireless charger for new smartphones. They have universal headphones, wireless charger for new headphones. Everything they have been provided according to products launching and the new trends they are providing according